There's no need for training, brother.
No need, you say? It's fine. Nothing like a good warm-up, you know.
No one shall stand in our way.
Here come the party crashers.
This may be fun.
Down and out. Ha!
Here I am.
Nice weather, eh?
Charge!
Nothing personal.
So slow.
Stinger!
Stand aside.
Over here?
Yeah!
How about a round trip?
Flight canceled.
Overall too soon, sadly.
You're mine.
Gotcha now.
You're going down.
I'm good, aren't I? Blast off! Try to keep up, Vergil.
Don't get so cocky, Dante. Stay where you are.
Gives you chills, don't it?
Remember what we used to say.
You read my mind, bro.
Jackpot.
Keeping it stylish.
Now, I'm motivated.
This party's getting crazy. Let's rock. See, I told you it wouldn't be that bad. It's actually kind of fun.
Enough child's play, brother. Let us truly test our blades. Hey everyone, BeatBlox here. For more Project Cross Zone fan dubs, click on the annotations. And for other fan dubs, check out my channel. Thanks for watching.
Keeping it stylish.